is Gary Britland, and today I'm at the home of the borough's industrial revolution at Peele Farm, and just behind me you can see this wonderful building. It was rebuilt recently by its owner. All this side was all had to be rebuilt, and just in this wing here, Robert Peele was actually doing calico printing, probably Parsley Peele. His name came from doing a parsley pattern. His daughter gave him a parsley leaf, and he started with that pattern. The first Peele that came here was William Peele in the 1600s, and he died in 1650, so that's how far this place goes back. Then his son Robert Peele stayed here, and then another William Peele at Church, where they had loads of factories and they did more calico printing. William Peele was born in 1745, died in 1790. He lived at Church Bank House, and the canal was made then, so they could transport the goods on the canal. Later, Edmund Peele, in 1748 he was born, died in 1776. And then Jonathan Peele, he was here in 1752 he was born, and then went to Accrington and Accrington House and had all the land in Accrington, and he died in 1885. So the first main Peele that we had was the first baronet. He was the calico printer. He worked with James Hargreaves. James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny just up the road at the Stanley Post Office, Oswaldtwistle. Whereas Robert Peele, he invented the carding machine and the calico printing. And the spinning jenny, that was made in the 1776. And the Sir Robert Peele, the first baronet, he was born in 1750, died in 1830, and he started the police force off going and coming enforcing laws, and they were called Peelers, the first policeman, or Bobbies. Robert Peele, that's where the name comes from. Then the second Robert Peele, he was the grandson of the first Robert Peele, and he was Prime Minister. He was born in 1788 and died in 1850, and he was Prime Minister in 1834, but unfortunately he was killed by falling off his horse, and he founded the Metropolitan Police Force, and so all this area was mainly to do with them. And Robert Parsley Peele was here in 1723 and died in 1795. He was a cotton mill owner, and he was the grandfather to the Prime Minister Sir Robert Peele. He was a yeoman, a farmer, and then he started doing the parsley pattern printing, calico printing, and then that became massive throughout this borough. They actually had to move out of the borough because people were rioting the mills and pulling down the mills. But it was him and James Hargreaves that started the spinning jenny, but the mills were rioted and destroyed. So Robert Parsley Peele, he was the big contributor to the calico printing in this area. And in the height, they had something like 24 mills. They had that much wealth, it was awesome. And they still do have now, their ancestors throughout the country, and there's some in America, and they've been over here to visit, and their empire was massive. And so that's most of the history of the Peels. But the family, they have a huge family and many descendants. We still visit this place now. And I'm just glad that somebody has rebuilt this historic place, because at one time it was a heap of rubble this side. There was only this side left, and they've rebuilt this whole side of the building, and now it just looks absolutely wonderful. beautiful, and it's a historic place of Accrington and Hyndburn. Thank you very much.